Good morning, primary one. How are you today? Today we are gonna have a new lesson called fractions. Fractions. What is the meaning of fraction? Fraction means is a number that represents a part of a whole. How to write a fraction? To write a fraction, we need two numbers and a line between the number up and number down. The number up shows me the number of colored or shaded parts, and the number down shows me the number of the total part. Okay, let's have an example. Here we have a circle cut it into 4 equal parts. The fraction must be all the parts equal. Okay, here we have a circle cut into equal 4 parts, and I want to write the fraction. Remember, to write a fraction, we need two numbers, numbers up and numbers down, and a line between them. The number up shows me the number of colored parts. How many colored parts do I have? 1, 2, 3. So I will write 3 up. And down tells me the number of the total parts that I have. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will write 4 down. Now let's read it. 3 over 4. 3 over 4. Okay, primary one. Here I have one whole pizza. If I cut it into 2 equal parts, each part of them I will call it half. I will call it half. Repeat after me. Half. How can I write half? I will write half 1, because I took just one part away, over 2. 1 over 2. And we call it half. Okay, here I have one whole pizza. I cut it into 4 equal parts. And I took one small part away. This small part I call it quarter. Quarter. How can I write quarter? I can write it 1 over 4 because I took just one part away and the total parts are 4, so the fraction will be 1 over 4. Also, I can call the quarter 1/4. So I can call quarter or 1/4. Here I have another one whole. I cut it into 3 equal parts and took one part away. This part we call it third. We call it third. And how can I write it? I will write 1 because I just took 1 over 3. 3 is the total part of the pizza. So 1 over 3 or third. Third. Here I have a 1 whole. And I also cut it into 4 equal parts. But one part disappeared. How many parts do I have left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So we call it 3 quarters because 1/4 disappeared. So how many quarters left? 3 quarters. How can I write 3 quarters? 3 over 4. 3 over 4. 3 quarters. Or we can say it 3/4. 3/4. Remember primary one. A one whole can make two equal halves. One whole equal two halves. One whole equal four equal quarters. A one whole makes 4/4. A one half equal 2/4. One half equal 2/4. 1/4 we also can call it 1/4. Write the fraction according to the colored part. The first picture. Here we have a circle divided into 4 equal parts. How many colored parts? One, just one. So we were gonna write 1 up and a line between them and down the total part, so it will be 1/4. Another picture, we have a circle divided or cut it into 2 equal parts. It's a fraction. How can we write the fraction? 1/2 or half. The last picture, we have picture cut into 3 equal parts. How many colors are colored? 3. So our fraction will be 3/4. Color according to the given fraction. Here we have 1/2. First, look to the number up. How many parts we're gonna color? 1. So, we're just gonna color 1 part. 1/2. We're just gonna color 1 part of the triangle. Okay, here we have a square cut into equal 4 parts. And he wants us to color a quarter or 1/4. So how many parts we gonna color? Look to the number up, just 1. So we're gonna color just 1 part. So last one, 3/4. Remember primary one. To know how many parts you're gonna color, just look to the number up. So how many parts we gonna color? 3. 1, 2, 3. So this fraction, 3/4 or 3/4 or 3/4. Thank you, primary one. See you soon. Bye bye.